Most people, they are stuck in life not because they don't have big dreams, but because they ignore the power of those tiny little habits that can make a huge difference. The key to success is not only about big dream. The key to happiness, success, and mental clarity is also about those tiny little things that we do every day without even thinking about them. Today I'm going to share with you 5 very powerful tiny habits that can shift your life starting right now. Ever find yourself procrastinating or delaying something important? Here's a trick. 5-second rule. Whenever you have to do something, whether it's waking up, starting a task, or speaking up in a meeting or public, here is the trick. Count backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and just do it. Why? Because your brain loves to kill the idea before ever start. This trick rewire your brain, prevent your brain from overthinking, and pushes you into action. I'm going to link in the description a fantastic book about this 5-second rule that can change your life. Habit number 2, 2 minutes rule. Sometimes we are so much overwhelmed with too many things to do that we end up doing nothing. Here's the trick. 2 minutes rule. Whatever it takes, about 2 minutes, just do it. No procrastinating, no delay. An email takes 2 minutes to respond, do it immediately. Clothes on the floor and it takes 2 minutes to clear it, do it immediately. The trick is that the small little things creates a momentum of productivity and help us to clear our mind and to be more productive and to be able to do bigger tasks. If you ever feel anxious or mentally stuck, here is the 5-minute rules that can help you to get out of this situation. Grab a notebook, write down for 5 minutes whatever is floating in your mind. No structure, no rule, just write it down. Why? Because your mind is just like a browser with too many tabs open. Writing it down will help you to declutter your mind from those thoughts that are not serving you and those that are important for you. This is a very powerful tool that is used in mindfulness and mental clarity. Now let's talk about habit number 4. Rule 80-20. This study shows that we waste 80% of our time on things that really don't matter to us. 80-20 rule teaches us that 80% of our result comes from 20% of our efforts. The trick is to choose what really makes difference in our life. Think about what things that you can do constantly that can have great impact in your life. Focus on it, and you'll be amazed how much you can achieve with less effort. 80-20 rule teaches us to work smarter, not harder. Now here is the last habit, habit number 5. A super simple habit that is an anxiety track that you can use at any time and anywhere. Whenever you're facing a very stressful situation, before you start, just sit down. Breathe deeply for 4 seconds, hold for 2, and exhale for 6 seconds. The trick is to exhale longer than you inhale. It helps you to shift your mind from fight and flight mode to calm and clear. It slows your heart rate and helps you to become calm instantly. Remember, it's not about big things that you do in your life, but success is about small little habits that you do every day to reach to your goal. Just write me in a comment below which one of these 5 habits you're going to try first. Thank you very much for being with me today, and see you next time.